Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I thought I'd bring a little fun video today. I thought I'd bring a morning routine because more for memories as well for me and Dan to look back at, but I really wanted to do a morning routine of like the first week in our house and what it's like the first week of moving out. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please smash a thumbs up if you do, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this morning routine.
I see the weight that's on your shoulders. Autumn leaves, yeah. You change and you feel older. He gave his attention to someone else, thought he could leave your heart on a shelf. You don't need that girl. You couldn't see through all of his lies, him starting the fights and no compromise. And I promise you that I won't ever lie. I'll be there for you, baby. You and I can touch the sky. I'll care for you and I'll keep you in my sight. Yeah, I'll be watching, baby, to make sure this love don't die. 'Cause I need you like a bird needs to take flight. And I will love you, baby, I will love you every night. And I promise you I'll stay by your side.
So I'm currently using the CURRENTBODY Skin LED mask. Now we all love a good face mask, okay? To keep our skin looking glowy, healthy, fresh. But I've taken it to the next level and I've started using an LED mask because I have seen these floating about. So when CURRENTBODY reached out to me, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try one of these so bad. So theoretically, what it does, it's clinically proven to reduce wrinkles by 35% in just 4 weeks. Now, I'm 22 years old, okay? I don't have wrinkles, but I hear adults complain about them all the time. So I'm going to prevent them, okay? I know I'm only 22, but if I can keep my skin looking clear and healthy, I'm obviously going to do that. It's a 10-minute treatment, which we all know isn't long at all, but 10 minutes at the minute is a lot, especially when I can just lie in the bed and chill out. It gets me out of painting and decorating, okay? So I enjoy these 10 minutes right now just to sit, chill, close my eyes for a few minutes, sit on my phone, do whatever, because there are eye holes in the mask. I can still go on my phone, which is great. And in case you're looking at me right now and thinking, Amber, is that actually comfy? It's so blooming comfy. It's flexible, so fits my face perfect, especially me having a little small pea head. I didn't think it would fit, but it honestly does, and it's just super comfy. I actually prefer it over face masks because it's not wet. You know that wet feeling of a face mask? It's not there, guys. It's literally just some LED lights, and it's just super comfortable. And just in case you are curious as to what the red lighting is on the mask, it's anti-aging red and near infrared light therapy. Overall, it is just such a comfy fitting mask. I love that I haven't got that wet feeling from a face mask. It's super easy to wear. It's chargeable, so it's not batteries. It's not going to just keep running out all the time. The charge lasts forever, which is great. And it's just nice to have 10 minutes peace, go up, do my skincare, feel great after it. I just want to say thank you to CURRENTBODY for sponsoring this little section of the video. I'm going to link everything down below in the description for you guys to shop, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Hi. Now this is the most challenging part of the morning routines at the minute. It's finding something to wear because I'm currently living out of bin bags, pretty much. We have piles of clothes here, let me show you guys. So this is all, apart from this hat, this is all clean washing I've done. So that's nice to know that everything in there is clean. And these are things from hauls that I've already filmed that I've just placed back here. So I do have clothes out, and then these clothes came from my house. This is the only clothes I had at my house. Can you believe it? Because I haven't lived there properly for like a good year. I didn't actually have many clothes left in my wardrobe. So they were only from my house. And then there's bin bags. Oh no, that's not clothes. Oh, that's got my unicorn in it from my house. And my Mac box, I think that is. Where are all my clothes? Oh, they're in Dan's wardrobe, I think, just shoved in there. That's pretty much underwear that came from my house and pyjamas. So maybe we'll have to go in here. You're going to have to ignore the state of this room. It's such a mess. But yeah, trying to find some clothes. is quite hard at the minute. I actually don't know where all my clothes have gone. I think that bin bag must have my clothes in it, I'm thinking. Must do. I mean, could have swore I had more clothes than that, but clearly don't. Right, can't be bothered to find out what to wear, so I'm just going to come in here for now. Currently my makeup's here. It won't stay here. Well, it will for the next couple of months, because if you guys don't know, we are, I think you all do know, but we're turning this into some form of dressing room. The focus on this camera is just 10 out of 10. Yeah, so this radiator is getting moved to there. This is getting pushed up into the corner. I was hoping I was going to get some form of, they do like the matching mom drawers from IKEA, that I was hoping to go here. Are they mom? They're not Alex drawers. I didn't want Alex drawers, but they're similar to Alex drawers, and I'm hoping they were going to go here for like fake tan and makeup. But, I mean, they will. The door just probably won't shut. But, I mean, that's okay. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah, for now my makeup is in the bathroom, but will eventually come in here when this is all sorted. There is going to be a whole transformation video on this room, which I'm excited for you guys to see. When will it be? No time soon. I think this is actually going to be a bit of a transformation room. Like I said, we're going to be moving the radiator because it's a dressing room and there's currently white carpet. The carpet might end up being changed. I'm thinking it will be. Walls will be painted and we're going to get some blinds there. So yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys on the journey of this room, because I'm thinking it's going to, well, I hope it's going to turn out to be a really nice room, because it's a nice little size for a dressing room. I like that it's not massive, and it's just a perfect little dressing room size. Now I'm going to make myself a little bit more presentable. Oh no, I'm running out of foundation. That's not good. I have got a new one, but I have no clue where it is. Sit and do some work, because I just want to have a productive morning to have kind of like the afternoon off. It's currently 9:15 and I want to try and get this all bashed out ASAP. And I want to be done by 10 ideally, so I'm going to crack on and get editing this video so it's done, and then my work for today is done. I'd much rather get up early, bash it all out, be really productive, and then have the afternoon. So I'm going to sit for a couple of hours now and do this work. Hi, I didn't really mention I got dressed. I just chucked on a jumper and some shorts. But the first load of washing is done, and we actually have a heated area, but because it's so nice today, like it's gorgeous. And it's finally nice to see we have sun on the garden. We didn't know how much sun the garden was going to get, but it is covered, which is so nice, obviously apart from the patio. So we've popped the washing outside. I've popped another load in the washing machine, and Dan is ripping up a load of cardboard boxes. We've been storing it in here, and it's just got a little bit too much and we just need to rip it up. Yeah. So I'm still editing just here. I'm actually editing this morning routine, and Dan is
just going in the morning
working.
Routine?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because it's the morning of the routine.
It is still before 10.
Yep.
Nice day today.
It's a gorgeous day.
The weather update.
It is gorgeous. Let me show you guys. Glorious sunshine, and there's our washing. I'm going to get another area as well. Obviously the heated one's not plugged in, but you know, save the electricity in that. But yeah, and the washing is in the washing machine. While I I've been working, Dan's come upstairs and given the upstairs a tidy. Guys, I don't want to show you this room too much because I want to wait to the weekly vlogs. But all I'm going to say is that it's tidy. Okay, I'm going to leave you all hungry for the weekly vlog. But bathroom, tidy. It'll be better when I've got the dressing room sorted because a lot of that stuff will go. I mean, the basket's nice. This was meant to stick to the wall but just doesn't, so it's just chilling there. I kind of don't want to build bottles up on the sides because I think that's when like mold and limescale and all that jazz happens. So I'm leaving this all like here. And yeah, got this template on mirror until we get a bathroom mirror, and it's all looking like so. This, on the other hand, is not tidy. These are going to be the dumping. Well, actually, no, Dan's tidied this. He's done a good job, bless him. Better at tidying than me. And here's my dressing room, which it's actually nice to have a place just to dump all my things at the minute, because as you can imagine, there's just so much. Not even clothes, just like makeup bits and tan and hairstyling tools and just things like that that just build up. So yeah, it's so nice how much daylight this room gets, but I'm gonna end this here because it's about 11:30. I think, yeah, I think it's about 11:30. I'm gonna have some lunch soon because I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have some pasta for lunch. But thank you all so much for watching, and thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart for all the support the last few days. It honestly means the world. More morning routines will be coming, more night routines, weekly vlogs are back every single week. The next one will be on Sunday. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Goodbye guys.